We are making a spicy arrabbiata sauce today, which is basically just a spicy red sauce. It's pretty simple. We're just gonna have this simmer all day, and then we're going to make some eggplant parm out of it. Eggplant parm and spaghetti. I'm gonna finely chop the onions. All right, let's heat up some olive oil and butter. Well, the butter is optional. Nice amount of olive oil, some butter. Add some chili flake, make it fragrant. Add the onions until these get nice and softened. Garlic in too. I don't know if I want to use 2 or 3 cans of tomatoes, but I'm going to start with 2. These are San Marzano whole tomatoes. I think 2 is okay. I'm going to add a little bit of water. Mix this up. I'm going to take some of this basil. And we will let this bubble up a little bit, then bring it down to a simmer. Okay, it's bubbling. I'm gonna turn it down. I'm gonna break up some of these tomatoes. And these will break down more over time. Okay, and I'm gonna keep stirring this and breaking this down over the next couple hours, and we'll be back. So this is smelling good. I'm going to add some salt and pepper now. Okay, this has been going for a few hours. Ooh, look at that. Let's taste. Got a piece of bread. Hot. That's good. Nice spice to it. Okay, I'm gonna have this simmer until I need it, which is later tonight, and then we're gonna make some food. Goodbye.